रास्ते खोलना।
While the dream of the Meghalaya government to start its own medical college is yet to become a reality, Minister in charge of Health Department Ampreen Lingdo on Monday informed that the department is preparing a cabinet memo to put forward before the cabinet and to seek their guidance. She informed that the service rules are yet to be completed as it is still under the purview of the personnel department. She further cited that any state that comes up with a medical college has to conform to the norms of Government of India.
We have already completed the application for affiliation. The Northeastern Hill University has already sat with the Department of Health. But again, all of this will be disclosed and be available for scrutiny by the public as and when they are completed. We should not disclose anything until the correct authorities take these decisions. But we are on road towards achieving the institutioning of a second medical college run by the government in the state of Meghalaya, hopefully very soon.
The Northeastern Hill University